is this one. Let's see and open it. Magbukas tayo ng parcel. I received this last night from Amazon. Ayan, buksan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung sa loob. Itong regalo ng anak ko sa akin ngayong New Year. Tapos, ito naman, last Christmas. Regalo niya sa akin, hindi ko pa nabubuksan. Spoiled sa mami, hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Pero, tingnan natin kung anong nasa loob, di ba? Super excited na ako. Ayan. This is Amazon Prime. Okay. This was arrived last night. Let's see what's in here. Excited na ako kung ano ito. Ano kaya ito? Hindi ko yata mabuksan. Dapat may gunting ako pala. Ito na lang. Ayan, see. Mahirap pala magbukas. Ano kaya ito? Tan-tan-tan. What is this one? Oh. There you go. Oh, malaki pala. Oops. Ayan siya. Yan ang regalo ng anak ko sa akin. Ang galing. Ang galing. Tingnan natin, buksan natin. Hindi ko alam kung paano pagbukas nito. Ganyan ba? Ito yata. O, ito yata. Ganun ba? Sus, Ginoo. Hindi ko mabuksan. the manual guide, the user manual. And this one is gaming, setup gaming instruction. Oh no, this is not for gaming. For live streaming and podcast console. For computer and smartphone. So double purpose. Yay. Oh, there you go. Oops. Oops. Mali lang siya. Super liit lang pala niya. Looks like big in the box, but there you go siya. Ang daming saksakan. Yan. Meron na ako. Sa new one. Thank you, my son. Just a minute. Hold on. Ito naman ay para sa earphone. At ano ito? Microphone. Okay. Sa microphone. And this one is that is the microphone. Like that. Yan. I see. Ganun pala yan. Tapos, what is this one? For the microphone, okay. And I think this one belongs to this one. Let's see. Ang hirap naman i-ano nito. School. Ayan siya. Tapos, it's just like all-in-one, this one. I don't know what to do this one. Okay. And this one, what is this one? Cable. Audio cable, and then this is USB cable. Right now, took it out everything from the box, so kalimutan na natin yan. Ngayon, ito naman regalo niya sa akin ako ng Christmas. Smack Cosmetic. Let's just see what's inside. There's a bag here. Okay, this is his present for me. Christmas. I got this one. I don't know what this is, a lot here. And this is glossy lip gloss. This one is a lip gloss. Let's see what's inside. It's a lip gloss. Yeah, it's a lip gloss. How to open this one? Oh, it's a lip gloss. Kasi pagka winter dito, kailangan mo talaga ng lip gloss kasi magdadry ang iyong dadry ang iyong labi. Tapos ito, ano naman ito? Eyeliner. Eyeliner naman siya. Tingnan natin kung anong nasa loob. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung ano. It's eyeliner. It's eyeliner. I didn't know that I have this one. Alam niya yung gamit ng mami niya. Alam niya kung ano yung mga gamit ng mami niya. Tapos, ano pa itong nasa loob? Ano ito? Lipstick. Ayan, may lipstick ako. Regalo niya sa akin, lipstick. Tingnan natin kung anong kulay. Mahilig ako sa pula pero ewan ko kung anong niregalo niya ito sa akin. Kasi pag winter, you have to wear dark color, and then during the summer, then I wear light color. So let's see, tingnan natin kung ano ito. Ay, ganun pala yun. Ayan. Oh, it's a bit pink. Ayan, yan ang regalo niya sa akin. Galing, 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 galing. Thank you, anak. Ayan, balik natin dun sa supot. Sa box. Dami pa akong lipstick, hindi ko pa siya gamitin. Summer ko siguro yun gagamitin. Tapos itong isa, meron pa itong isa. Wow! Maxi Raimal. Ano ba ito? Raima ba yun? Tingnan natin kung ano naman itong isa na ito. Lipstick din. Lipstick din ba ito? Lipstick din siya. Another lipstick. Oh dear. I love this color. This color I love. I love this color. The other one I didn't. I can wear that on summertime. Yan. Diba? Galing. Thank you to my son. Diba? Oh. Tapos, itong bag case, MAC. The original one. Okay. So I put that back. That's what I got. Christmas and New Year. Thanks to my son. Lovely, isn't it? Beautiful. And I love this brand. Okay. I think that's it. And another one. Then I'll just go and get it. Okay, hold on. Mark, you have time now? We can do it now when you get your phone.
Well, I don't have time now. When do you want me to do it?
If you have time. Okay. This one, I received this from Mercy Lim. Mercy Lim, thank you very much. I don't may pangalan pa ako dyan, oh. Diba? May pangalan ako dyan. Mercy. Tingnan natin kung ano ito. Oh, wow. It's a necklace. May pangalan pa siya. Oh, thank you, Mercy Lim. Thank you very much, Mercy Lim. As a necklace, thank you, thank you, thank you. Regalo niya sa akin for Christmas. Anyway, that's all. And thank you, Mercy Lim. At saka sa aking anak. Ngayon may bago na akong condenser. So, I have to do live streaming soon. After this, okay, I try to connect. Okay, I'll see you guys. Love you, love you, love you.